interested in marrying a woman, the woman does not have, it seems, the approval of her guardian. Now, he said that she's practicing, she's a good Muslim woman, but her parents are cultural and their family. So there is a lot of ambiguity. There is no ambiguity, akhi. In Islam, marriage is a crystal clear cut process. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, there is no marriage valid of a woman without the consent and approval of her guardian, who is her father. End of story. This is the fatwa of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. Yes, Sheikh, but the father is cultural and coming from Nigeria, most likely he would ask for a dowry of 50 cows. So, be it. This is how people get married. Look for someone who's asking for 10 rams maybe. Get a discount. This is not my problem. As a Muslim, you have to follow the process of Islam. Now, if the father is deviant and he's rejecting all people of a good aqeedah, he's interested only in tariqah followers, Tijani, Jilani, or whatever. He doesn't want anyone who follows the correct, authentic aqeedah of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. And he refused so many. Okay, this case, this guardian has to be changed. He's the father. Ditch him, throw him in the garbage. Because he's not qualified, he's not fit. So what to do? It's not the girl who chooses. It is the Muslim judge. So you go to the Muslim judge, you present your case, the judge looks into it, he discovers that what you're telling is true. He appoints someone in the girl's family, a brother, a paternal grandfather, a paternal uncle, someone who's close to her, and makes him a guardian after checking out whether he's fit or not. This is the right way of doing it. Now, I've done, and I've been doing, and I'm still doing, alhamdulillah, counseling. And I've met so many cases where the same issue comes to me, and Sheikh, we need you to conduct the nikah and to be kind to us. We are in a dilemma. We don't want to fall in. And they make you weep with them. You're so sympathetic with their case. If you did not have knowledge, nor the experience, nor the guidance from Allah, most likely you would fall in their trap. But you say to them, Akhi, how would I know that the girl is telling the truth? Oh, she said to us that her father, did you meet her father? No. Okay, then you're taking her word? No, this is not valid. She might be a playgirl. She might be looking for a sugar daddy. I don't know. Whatever is happening, this is not legitimate. So it has to be changed, and Allah knows best.